So this is room 16003 in the Arizona Tower of the Aquarius Hotel and Casino in Laughlin. And this is a sunset suite. Now sunset suites always have a view of the river, which I'll show you in a bit. But you come in, on the right hand side you've got sort of like a kitchenette stroke wet bar type area. You have coffee in the room and a fridge. So there's some drawer space there, and then your main TV stroke seating area. Now, although the room's fairly old in style, the actual chairs and tables, etc., there's no scratches on them or anything. It's all absolutely immaculate. Same with the curtains. So it's nicely appointed, if a little bit old school. So the view I've got is of the Riverside Casino, and obviously the river there. Okay, and then if we walk through to the bedroom area, oh, looks very homely. Got another telly in here, slightly smaller. Sitting area there, and basically a similar view of the riverside. Now, oddly enough for this room, there is no safe. I was looking for one, and I had to phone down to reception. They said, no sir, there's no safe. You need to go to the cashier's cage and get a safety deposit box, which I thought was absolutely bizarre. I've never heard anything quite like it. Anyway, there's your hanging space in there, and then your bathroom. As I said, everything absolutely immaculate. Bit of a small shower, I guess. I'm certainly not going to be in that, having a bath in that. So this cost me around about $80 for one night. I'm only here for one night. Just wanted to explore Laughlin. Never been here before. So I think we'll start at the riverside and work our way up. Yeah, very interesting. Hope you enjoyed.